Do you need gas in this one?
I might. Do you need gas? Hit up Brian, see what he's up to. He said he wants to ride all night. I'm like, I don't think you checked the weather, buddy.
Yeah, it's gonna rain around like 10, I think, right?
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get off work. I'm gonna go shower, eat, take a break, go sit on the toilet for a bit. I'm like, buddy, it's gonna like rain later, and it's like kind of cold right now, only getting colder.
I could have probably threw a warmer jacket on though, but...
Oh, I didn't need gas in this thing at all. I'm not even gonna put any in. Like, I didn't need gas at all. I mean, if I put any in, it's just gonna put in whatever was in the hose. Probably, it's just like the last person's regular gas. So I don't know. I'm not gonna put that in.
Oh yeah.
All right, hurry up. I want to get moving. Oh, we can still feel my fingers.
You. Pump faster. Come on.
Oh, is it so? Oh, you just have it automatically pumping? That's way. You trust that thing way too much. The alternative is having gasoline all over your crotch and having the weirdest kids ever. Because that shit will soak in, buddy. Yeah, get those fucking sweaty ass gloves on. Oh, there's that R3 rider over there. He's like really desperate to catch up to us, it looks like.
No, I know. That's literally my bike.
Oh, that's literally your bike?
He goes on it, yeah. He was going to the gym and everything. This motherfucker, bro.
I think he's really...
He's a desperate R3 rider.
Does this dude not have a visor? Where's your visor? Where's your visor? What? Why? Why and how?
It's not even his helmet. Someone else's.
So you're just riding without a visor. I'm like wide-eyed, like... Alright, whatever works, buddy. Thank God it's before the bug season, so... At least the bugs aren't out yet, so... Yep. Alright. Oh, he's turning right into us, man.
He's driving it back off of my house.
He's watching, like, wheelie your bike. It picks it up, loops it. That thing...
dumps it.
That R3 is pretty clapped, dude, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, someone fucking crashed it or some shit, I don't know. Someone didn't tell me about it, so... I don't know. I don't really care because it's on my main bike. I paid like nothing for it.
You're way too nice, buddy.
But this one I really care about.
It's wild, dude. Someone just crashes your bike.
The only thing I use an R3 for, dude, is for backpacking. Like, that's literally it.
I mean, we're going that way. I hate, like, why do people always try to let bikers go? It's like they want their fucking good job award. Oh, the Florida has the S1000 now. I saw that, yeah. Yeah, I think it's just a PR stunt, because I saw the video of the cop, he got on the bike and then took off. He's wearing, like, a half helmet and, like, a dress-up shirt. I'm like, dude, like, what are you doing?
Bro's gonna go 200 and not have a jaw anymore.
Yeah, like, well, no, it's not that. It's more the fact that, like, I don't think they're gonna actually patrol in that, because it needs to refuel every 70 miles. It just seems a little impractical. Alright, I know this light's about to change, but I just want to make a point. This bike has already lost a bolt. That was there when I left. That is some bullshit, man.
Classic Ducati.
913 miles on it, and it vibrated a bolt out. Cool. That heat shield's probably going to be gone by the time I get home. There's nothing I can do about it, because the bolt is gone. The other one looks fine. So, whatever. Not my responsibility at this point.
Yeah, it looks fine for now. Until after this ride, man.
Oh my god. This person just pulls out in front of us. What a day, man. What a day to be... Holy shit. This is fun. We're having fun.
So much fun. Fucking Ford Escape. Oh, that was a nice one, dude.
Yeah, it vibrates my other bolt out.
Give me like 10 minutes.
Are you naked? It's gonna rain in an hour. Yeah, you don't have time to jerk off. It's gonna rain in an hour. I mean, that's what we get for coming out here at this hour. I mean, it says it's 45 out right now. Like, it's not exactly the greatest. Oh, it's raining and yeah, it's literally gonna rain in an hour. Well, yep. All right, that's cool. I'm at least gonna say hi to him before I... Oh yeah, it's 50% chance in an hour. I'm probably just gonna go home.
My shit doesn't say it's gonna rain until...
What?
8. What does this shit say? Hold on.
Well, you want to see something funny real quick though before I go?
Your piece of shit bike, yeah.
What?
Your piece of shit.
Oh no! Come here. Look at this shit. It's really cool. Do you notice anything missing?
Is this obvious? Is this very obvious? I should be noticing it.
Dude, it's a cool feature.
It's missing something.
I know. I'm trying to. Dude, I'm so out of it. You're not missing anything down here, are you?
No, it's not down there. You're getting cold. I'm sorry. You're getting warm though. Oh, colder.
It's something with the front.
It's missing a bolt
From your header.
from the heat shield.
It just came out.
Yeah.
Dude, he needs to get rid of this piece of shit. Dude, really?
It is what it is.
How does the bolt just fucking unthread itself and come out?
Listen, I didn't torque it down, so I don't blame myself
This is probably
for this.
some like special bolt you have.
Yo, so this is Future Matthew. So Ducati did replace the bolt, so there's no problem, but it is still a little annoying, but it was taken care of.
Have to get it's probably on back order. You won't be able to get it.
Yeah.
I bet you it's some crazy special fucking bolt.
Yep. I'm gonna talk to Kyle.
Go get your money back.
Low key, like I'm thinking about, I might just sell this and just have the S1000 and the V4 for the summer.
Grab another 675.
Like I'm talking just going back to 2 bikes because having 3 is honestly just kind of a fucking. It's annoying.
Be safe.
Good to see you at least.
Go.
Great ride, man.
Great ride. You might want to get rid of this bike or something. That's just personally, that's what I would do. You see, like in a sense, you kind of fucked up. You bought the first version of this. Like you're never supposed to buy the first version of something the first year it comes out.
On the bright side, I should be able to sell it pretty quick.
Is your start button down?
Yeah.
Dude, that is not good. That is not good. Yeah, dude, that thing will run forever. That'll run forever. Be safe. Be safe.
Alright, back the way we came. I want to talk to Kyle about this bike, because I'm not too happy. When it rains, it fucking pours, I suppose, right?
This is gonna be great, man. I'm gonna have soaked shoes.
He did hit me up. He said that he has a replacement bolt for that. It's like, thank you.
No long wait.
But, no long wait on that one, thank God. But
Yeah, but you know what's gonna happen. As soon as you get that bolt back, something else is gonna happen.
as long as this whole piece doesn't fall off by the time I get home, we're good. It's just a bolt. I should have gotten a Diablo, man. I should have gotten the V4.
I mean, hey, still can after you get rid of that.
Money.
At least Megan will appreciate you.
Yeah. My plan was to take her for rides on this, but she doesn't even want to ride this. So I'm like, okay. I bought this because she doesn't like the supersports, and so I got this so it would be less intimidating. She's like, I don't want to ride on that. I want to ride in the supersport. I'm like, okay, well, you didn't like those, so.
Yeah, I get that.
I don't even know if I'd get a Diablo if I sold this. I'm gonna be real with you.
I mean, I'd say you can get an older used one, but
The older Diablos are L-twins, which are shitty. So far, in my experience, the most reliable fucking Ducatis have been the V4s.
Aprilia and what, the Augusto.
Jesus Christ, dude. Watch out for killer Impalas. Dude, that car has no idea how to drive. It's crazy.
That man does not know how to drive.
Watch out, he's gonna cut into me. How much you want to bet? Please, take me out. Save me the
He's
misery.
got the donut tire, too. It's not looking good for that 4 car.
Not looking good for my fucking life.
Oh, is that a TT? Is that an Audi TT?
No, it's an R8, dude. We're gonna have to cut this
Fine.
old man off. I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, shifted to neutral. Oh, buddy.
That was fun.
It's been a while since I've shifted to neutral.
Well, I paid about $2,000 for that exhaust. If I cancel that, it gives me $2,000 back, and if I sell this for 12, it gives me 12. So that gives me 14 to play around with. Might be smart to just hold on to the money and just not buy another bike. Yep. Or just save my money, eventually buy a house one day. But I love the bikes, don't get me wrong, but it's like, do I really need 3? Like, my whole thing from going to 2 to 3 is like, I want to always make sure I have a bike ready to go. But now I'm like, the fact that we literally haven't been able to ride since fucking October, I'm starting to lose my mind with having so many bikes. Like I can't even ride them, because the weather's so crap.
It's just eye candy.
Yeah, I mean, I can't use the things I paid so much money for. It's like, why do I have so much money tied up fucking liabilities? It's not a cop, is it? Those headlights.
Wait, what?
Are those headlights a cop in the distance there? No.
Gotta double check the heat shield. Hold on. Got Inspecto Gadget.
Yeah, right. I didn't think about that. I'm just waiting for something to hit my leg and be like, hey, I don't have a heat shield anymore. How are the S1000 wheelies compared to this?
Your wheelies are way higher on it.
They feel high on the S1000 because it fucking jumps up so quick.
The S1K ones, from what I saw, were more baby ones. I'm not saying I could do any better by any means. I'm a bitch, bro.
No, I appreciate the feedback because I don't really know. It's hard to fucking tell from when you're sitting on it.
Rating like a 9, at least 9 o'clock on that one.
I mean, I feel like I'm learning a lot about balance point and like what it feels to have your wheel in the air. Like it's freaky. It's weird. It's not. That's a cop. That's 1000% a cop. No, it's a Bronco. What the fuck? What the fuck? I could have sworn I saw yellow in those headlights. That's a cop. That's a cop. That is a cop. That's what I thought, dude. That is a cop right there. No, it's not. Why the fuck does he have yellow on his headlights? There's no way that's not an undercover. There's no shot that's not an undercover.
It's not, bro. That was
I'm losing my mind, bro. I swear I see like I'm hallucinating cops, bro.
It's because you're not used to riding, dude.
Schizophrenic with the cops, bro. I swear to God. I'm just every biker's fucking nightmare. It's like I pop a wheelie or come on. That should have stayed up, but whatever.
I think I would just casually ride like 60 plus, dude. Just fuck no cops.
If they don't get a radar lock on you, they can't really give you a ticket. They can, but it's not gonna stick in court.
Not at all. I mean, you can't really say, oh yeah, he's paced.
Cops sitting stationary, unless I'm going over 100, don't really scare me. It's like I can just tap the brakes and.
Oh, what the fuck?
Did you just?
I did not shift all the way down.
Frantically, like, come on.
Bro, I was somehow in third, bro. I completely just forgot to fucking down.
like-
I almost wanted to kill switch you, but because you're on this, I don't want to risk you. Like, I don't want to risk your thing not wanting to start.
I see what you're saying now. I was like, what are you trying to get
I
at?
thought about that. I was like,
Ducati won't start. It's funny the first time, okay?
I
Not
don't know,
funny
man.
anymore.
It's a tad bit funnier in traffic.
Yeah, I mean, I got 2 years of towing, so that's pretty lit. I don't want to use it, asshole.
What a dick.
I was gonna say I can't wait to relax tonight, but I forgot I got a fucking geology test to study for Wednesday. Yeah, I'm kind of like I'm gonna die.